The exploration of divine attributes through structured triadic models offers a unique lens for understanding the complex and often paradoxical nature of God in theological and philosophical contexts. By applying these models, we can dissect and examine the interconnectedness of God's attributes, their mutual dependencies, and their dynamic interactions. This essay aims to synthesize various triadic relationships to construct a holistic view of God, emphasizing the logical relationships that define and describe divine characteristics. The coexistence model, featuring omnipotence, omniscience, and omnipresence, forms the foundational triad for understanding God. Each attribute is inextricably linked to the others, suggesting that to comprehend one is to engage with all. This triad posits that God's all-encompassing power, knowledge, and presence are not isolated qualities, but are codependent and affirm each other, creating a robust framework for divine understanding. Moving into the reinforcement triad with justice, mercy, and grace, we see a progression where these attributes not only follow one another, but also reinforce each other in a cyclical fashion. This model illustrates the dynamic nature of God's interactions with humanity, where divine justice leads to mercy, and mercy culminates in grace, each stage nurturing and supporting the next. It represents a fluid and evolving relationship between God and creation, highlighting the adaptive and responsive aspects of divinity. The harmonic and convergent triads introduce more complex interactions. In the harmonic model, the roles of creator, sustainer, and destroyer are viewed not just in sequence but as essential co-contributors to the cycle of existence. This triad reflects a balanced ecosystem of creation, preservation, and renewal, each role activating the others. In the convergent model, love, wisdom, power, each attribute of God directs toward and is made manifest through the combination of the other two. This interplay suggests that divine actions are balanced, wise, and loving, ensuring that power is not exercised arbitrarily but is always coupled with wisdom and love. The more abstract combination triad, presence, absence, mystery, dives deeper into the theological implications of understanding God. This model addresses the divine paradoxes where the known and the unknown, the seen and the unseen are in constant flux, defining the mysterious nature of God. It posits that divine presence and absence together contribute to the mystical experience of God, which is central to many religious experiences. Finally, the integration triad examines the logical relationship between divine command, human obedience, and the gift of freedom. This triad delicately balances the notions of predestination and free will, suggesting that divine commands and human freedom are not mutually exclusive but are integrated in a way that facilitates genuine obedience and spiritual growth. Through these triadic analyses, we gain a structured yet deeply interconnected view of God's attributes and roles. Each triad not only stands alone to explain certain aspects of divinity, but also connects with other triads to form a more comprehensive picture. This exploration shows that the divine nature can be understood as a complex system of interrelated parts where logic, emotion, and mystery intertwine to form the holistic concept of God. The application of these models illuminates the depth and breadth of divine characteristics, offering a multidimensional understanding that challenges and enriches traditional theological thought.